Let's find out what our chartists are picking out and what some of their chart buster ideas are. Kunal Bothra and Naresh Marani rejoining in. And Kunal, it's Coal India that's on your radar today.
Yes, Aman, good morning. So I think Coal India in the last 3 years has gone through a very slow, steady and a gradual uptrend. And a classical pattern over here is a rising channel pattern for Coal India. This is from the 2020 lows when the stock made a low which was around this 115 to 20 odd mark. And as you can see that the stock has been just consistently moving into this band. Every time it comes back close to this channel support, it tends to get into a bounce back zone. The reason why I'm flashing off Coal India is because just recently the stock has managed to show a very similar kind of a price action, bouncing off from that 205, 210 odd mark. Again, looking at the historical precedence that the stock gets, whenever it gets into a rally, it tends to come back to the higher end of the channel pattern, which means from current levels of 225 to 30 approximately, even after a phase of a pause, we can expect the stock to gradually go into that zone of 260 to 270 over the near to medium term. So trends for Coal India over the last 3 years have been exceedingly bullish, more consistently bullish, and at current levels, the risk reward is also in favor to initiate a buy or a gradual buy on dips, expecting targets of 270 plus on Coal India in the next possible 6 months or so.
Right. Naresh, IDFC first. What are you observing on the charts?
So the stock bottomed out around 30 odd levels, made a recovery all the way to 63 from June 2022. Then it has gone through a consolidation, retested the last breakout point, which was around 50 to 53 levels. Over the last 4 months, we see 3 to 4 attempts around that 50 to 53 mark, holding on very clearly. So base is set. Now it's making a triangle formation, which has a breakout around 56, 57 levels where it is right now. So the breakout is almost done. A stop loss now to be kept at 52 levels and expect stop loss to be kept at 54 and expect a move towards a new 52-week high. Target price of 65 to 75.
Okay, let's get into stock ideas going as well. Coal India, IDFC First Bank were the chart busters that Kunal and Naresh flagged off respectively. But let's find out which individual stocks they're tracking as well. Kunal?
So first one is a buy on Zydus Life, the stock which is down some 1.5 to 2% yesterday, expecting a contra rally into the stock. So buy with a target of 530, stop loss at 502. And the second would be a buy on BPCL. Apparently this stock has done reasonably well. There has been unwinding of positions for BPCL. So expecting this rally to continue, 355 as a target and stop loss at 340.
Right. Naresh, what about your stock strategies?
So first would be a buy on Axis Bank, which is near to the breakout of 875, a risk reward trade, a stop loss at 860 and a target price of 920. Second is a buy on Apollo Tires, a clear-cut leader in terms of relative strength now. Stock is 1% away from an all-time high. Looks setting up for a move into new 52-week and all-time highs. A stop loss at 328 and a target price of 360.
Thanks very much, gentlemen, for running us through all of those stock ideas.